again, and one day someone told me,
Hey, don't be sad today, okay? Make sure you smile. Don't forget to smile and bomba cloud.
The last time I went to Mexico was 2018.
2018. Okay.
Yes. And then, yeah, now it's 2025. So it's been a long time since I've gone.
Yeah, you're right. Like already 6 years. I mean,
yes.
2018. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. And I love Mexico.
Are you going like with friends?
Yes. Yes. My best friend's birthday. So funny. She doesn't know I'm coming.
Oh.
So we plan to just meet her in the lobby.
Wow, you're gonna kill her.
Yeah, literally. She's gonna
be there. Like, no.
Yeah, she's gonna be, through the roof.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm excited. And it's not just me, it's like 3 other friends that are gonna meet her in the lobby too.
Oh my god, she's gonna go crazy.
Literally.
Wow.
We are planning to go to Chichen Itza.
Yes.
As well as Tulum for a day.
Beautiful Tulum.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I just think Mexico's an amazing place.
Tulum is super spiritual and stuff like that.
Okay.
So you can be like in your yoga pants everywhere.
Oh, I love that.
See?
Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. No, that's gorgeous.
So you just walk around, literally walk around, and then you have like a
little tree houses and stuff and yoga happening. Oh, that's beautiful.
And then you have a restaurant inside, whatever.
Oh, Tulum is just gorgeous, isn't it?
"Hello guys, good morning." So I am actually at the airport right now, and we are headed to Cancun, Mexico. My best friend doesn't know that I'm coming, and my other friend is coming. So 2 of her other best friends are coming. So it's very exciting stuff. The guy that I was talking to earlier, he's actually from Mexico, and he was living in Tulum for a couple years, he said. But it's an exciting time. I'm at the gate. My hair is still in these pins. I took out like the other pins because they were like uber pointy, and I was afraid I couldn't go through TSA with them. So I changed them over into these plastic pins. But guys, I'm so excited. Like, I have not been excited about a trip in a long time. And I've been to Cancun before. Mexico is a very fun and interesting place. But yeah. So, outfit of the day. So I'm wearing Skims. So these are my shoes. Can you see them? Yeah. Those are my shoes. And then I'm wearing these Skims pants. And then my top is also Skims. So that's the fit. It's giving very airport, like very comfortable, very calm. I'm getting used to the camera as well, and I'm getting used to the microphone. So give me some grace, okay? I'm also literally still fighting the flu. Like, I hate the fact that I'm still fighting it, but it is what it is. Okay, so yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I think our plane is yet to arrive, but I am in the Spirit Terminal, so yeah, I feel like it'll arrive very soon. I'm at least 1 hour early, so yeah, I kind of like being early. Like, this is a flight I could not miss. If I missed it, it would be like complete doomsville, because I'm definitely not going to get another flight to make it in time for the surprise. So anyway, y'all, just checking in. I'm so excited. Again, I've been to Cancun before. Love Cancun. I think it's such an amazing place, and I'm excited to see it again. I think it was like 6 years ago, yeah, 2018 that I went, and now I'm going again. So exciting. But yeah, I love you guys so very much. Thanks for sticking around on the journey, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I shared quite a lot in the past few, but this is like my new life. This is like where I'm at now, living and loving and enjoying. So anyways, that's all. I'll check in with you guys again probably when I'm boarding this flight to Cancun. Yep, basically this is what's happening right now. DayQuil and pause. Yo, how did I get sick? I started feeling it coming on, and now I'm just like so irritated. Probably should get a bagel. I'm so hungry. Being in this place, there are like so many people watching me with this little gimbal. I'm so happy I don't have the big camera anymore, because that everybody would just be like staring me down, and I feel like I can be a little incognito with this one. I will show you guys. I'm gonna get Einstein, burros, and bagels. So I'm excited because it should be good, and I'm gonna get some water and take it with the Dayquil. Y'all, so I am waiting for my food. Hello guys, I'm waiting for my food. I don't know if you can hear me, it's a bit loud in here. And I haven't really tested the sound on this. Like, I honestly don't know what you guys can hear or can't hear. Okay, Drea, this is for you. We have a group chat, and I'm telling them not to show you the itinerary. I'm basically telling the group it wouldn't be a good idea to show you the itinerary because I design stuff in Canva, and you and I know each other's design styles, and we share each other's design styles in Canva. So that would be terrible. A bad idea. Alright, y'all. Got it. Okay, guys. So I made it onto the plane. So, yeah, that's a good sign. It's been hectic. I just took my medicine because I've been feeling sick, as you guys know. My curls are falling, and I don't know how I feel about that, but whatever, we're on our way. It's a 1 hour and 55-minute flight. I'm probably gonna just put in my earphones and basically relax for the entire flight. It's now 9:55 in the morning, and I've been up since 5 a.m. So having a blast already. Just having a blast. But yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys. I will let you guys know when we land in Cancun. So excited about this trip, y'all. And the praying for journeying mercies. Definitely include the Lord in everything that you do. Especially travel. God is so good. And I absolutely love how much I can lean on God in times like this. When there's so much uncertainty. Looks like I got the road to myself too. But they claimed it's a full flight, so maybe I'll have a neighbor soon. But if you look, like all of the seats are like empty. It's like nobody here. But yeah, guys, see you in Cancun. We're in Mexico. Woo! Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, there he is. He's holding it. Do you guys see it? Sorry. Hi! Yes!
Finally.
Nice to meet you!
Sorry, I will take on your picture.
Yes! Thank you!
Only one person?
Just me. Yes.
Let me help you, please.
Oh, thank you.
Let's go.
Nice to meet you. Yes! We waited forever for the bags.
I imagine that, or I
Oh.
think that maybe immigration sometimes they
Yes.
are not working, so I imagine that was the problem.
That was definitely the issue, but
Happy to be here.
The important is that you're here, don't worry.
Yes, I'm happy.
Maybe somebody is going to receive you in the resort. I'm
Okay,
going to check.
no problem. Bless you.
Thanks so much.
Hi, how are you? Yes, Reagan, nice to meet you. So heavy.
Oh, bro.
Okay, thank you
Don't
so
forget
much.
nothing here.
Yes, all is good. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye, thank you.
So
Today is
we have-
gorgeous.
Last week, with a lot of wind.
Yes.
Impossible.
Wow.
Last week, horrible.
Wow.
So today is the first day,
It's a
beautiful day.
gorgeous day, yeah.
First day.
Yes.
So information inside for you now.
Yes.
Inside the condo, you have access to all the service.
Okay.
You can use the pool.
All right, you guys, I made it to my Airbnb and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So it's a condominium actually in a hotel. So this is the bed, gorgeous. Like, how cute is that? These are my stuff all lined out. I was so happy to have help with this because these were heavy. This is your girl. I'm so excited. Literally, guys, I'm so happy to be here. Like, Cancun is one of my favorite places. Again, as I was mentioning to you guys, I've been here before and I'm happy to be back again. The last time I was here was 6 years ago. So a little fit check, because I still have on my airport fit. I didn't get to show you guys the full thing. So this is my Skims top, long sleeve, which was super comfortable. These are my pants, which are also Skims. Gorgeous. Like, I love these pants so much, and they're so soft too. And then my best friend bought me these shoes. These are like Rick dupes, but they give the real thing, which I'm here for 1010%. And they're just super comfy. Like, literally adorable. So yeah, this was my airport fit. Really calm. I like the all black look, to be honest. And then my hair is struggling right now, but I don't care because I'm in Mexico and like, I can recurl this. I brought all my hot tools. So okay, guys. My best friend still doesn't know I'm here. Like, she still has no clue that I'm here. I'm literally staying probably in the condo beside her or the hotel room beside her, but she won't know until tomorrow. All right, back to the tour. So this is like the room, right? So gave you all the spread of that. This here, the guy gave us this cooler and he's like, you can put drinks in there if you want to, like, go anywhere. So I was like, okay, cool. They gave us beach towels, which is so nice. And there's also a safety safe. There's also a TV right there on the wall. Coming over here now, we have the kitchen, which is super beautiful. Nice for, like, you know, a little stay. You don't need too much. And there's a microwave, a sink. Everything here is just giving what it's supposed to give. This is on 2%, y'all. I am not gonna have too much to share until I charge this up. But yeah, and then, oh my gosh, guys, look at the view. Look at the water. Oh my gosh. These roses are here. The water is gorgeous. Again, I stayed here a couple years ago and I didn't regret it. Oleo Cancun, gorgeous. Like, the water is the best part of this view. All right, and then I'm gonna quickly show you guys the bathroom, which looks like this. You know, standard bathroom in a condo, and apparently if you lift that up, it goes towards the water too. So, so excited. I'll show you guys that and then I'll literally have to end this and charge my Osmo Pocket because it's dying. It's next to dead. Oh gosh. Look. Oh my gosh. You get to see the water literally from here. All right guys, I have to run and charge this up. I gotta charge this up because it's literally gonna die like right now. I'm gonna like try to recurl my hair too because it's not staying the way it should, but I love it here already and I love you guys so much, and stay tuned. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. It's another day in a beautiful Cancun, and today found me about to go to the Cancun sign. So let's go. It's so gorgeous. I'm gonna bring my phone and the recorder and just, guys, look at this view. It's so stunning. Oh my gosh, I could cry. Cancun is gorgeous. Alright, so here we have the sign. You guys a view of it. The sun is out this morning, so the light is behind, but it's so pretty. Alright guys, we stopped off at this mall, but it is certainly closed. I don't think they open until 11, but they have all the designer shops here, which is super cool. They have Chanel, Prada, Louis Vuitton. It's really pretty. And I doubt we will get to stay here until it opens because we're planning to go to Chichen Itza, but did want to just stop off here and just see.